Hey guys, somewhat special video today. I have had the quad lock system for a long time now. Been using it on my phone, which I'm recording with, so you can't see it. But I enjoy the case. It is tough. I had to get a screen protector for the front because it does not include anything over the front. But this thing is sharp and doing really good for me. So there's that part. But I've been needing to install this on a bike so we can try and figure it out. I don't know if it's gonna work on my Sabre here because this gauge does not work. Now I did buy another gauge for it. It's actually a GPS gauge, so satellites would run this and everything. So I'd like to install that, but for now I just want to see if I can get this quad lock set up so at least I can tell my speed and what's going on there. So I'm gonna figure out how to set this up. I did get the vibration dampener because I've heard that can really screw with your camera on your iPhone. So we have that to set up. I already have the case on. So basically all we need to do here, I guess, is hook this in. This is what fits in the back of the, well, right here, in the back of the phone. So I'm gonna open that up. This locks on there. And then I guess the dampener goes somewhere in between. I don't know, maybe here? I'm guessing here, since this is locked into your phone. So I'm gonna pull this out and let you know what I think about this whole setup in the end of this video. So gonna check this out, mount it to the bike, see how easy or hard that is, and then let you know my thoughts on the quad lock system. Like I said, the case I've been really happy with. The only thing is it's thick, so if you use one of the wireless chargers on the back, it does not go through the case, so you'd have to take your case off if you're using that. So I had to revert back to the whole plug-in charger. So other than that, I've been happy with it. It's really worked out great. I've dropped my phone, it's been fine. And yeah, let's see how we do with this. So it basically doesn't get easier than this. They give you a little tool, little Allen key here, or hex, whatever you want to call it. So this basically does everything. Easy enough. Take it out of the packaging. And if you have the dampener, first you screw that into the holder. And then you screw the phone lock onto the holder. So the bolts are already installed in the middle if you haven't messed with them. So everything's pretty much, I put this together in a minute. And I tighten down and they all lock into place. Now I just have to figure out which collar here matches up with my handlebar and then shimmy that around to make sure it's in a place that I like it. Probably gonna try to put it speedometer here. Here might be a good spot if it fits, or here. See if I can get it to kind of be here where the speedometer would be. And like I said, instructions are clear, easy. And you get stickers. So here's the other two sizes of the collars, 25, 28, and 22. I'm guessing I'm gonna need a smaller one, but I'm not sure. But you get your stickers because you gotta have stickers. It's kind of cool. Eat, sleep, and ride. It's kind of fun. So anyway, I'm gonna install this and see what, before I do that, what it looks like. Basically, here is your setup here. If you loosen this right here with that tool, you can swivel this guy, and then if you open up, I got to get in there to that opens up this clamp, and you can put on whatever size collar that you need. So we'll have different sizes here, and can't really tell. This might work. That might work. These are 28s, I think. This is a 25 millimeter, so. And then that just tightens down with whatever collar you choose. Obviously, the smallest one is thicker, so it fits in the outer portion of this. And the big one is thinner, so it fits in the outer portion of this, but it takes up less space in the middle. So I'll loosen up that, loosen up this, and see how I do. Well, guys, this thing's pretty versatile. But I will say, I couldn't get it to fit here very well because of the angle of this. It wouldn't swivel the way I wanted to, and I couldn't fit it here. So I ended up going with the 22, the smallest collar, and I got it down here. Could have put it on either side, I guess, but this is the best placement for my phone. I had to open these up a little bit, a couple times, just to level it where I wanted to and lock it in place with the screws. But now I can put it right down on here, and there's enough room to like put my phone in there either way and then turn it and lock it in. So this is where it's going to be. Can't really take a picture of it because you're on my phone, but I can let you know how it works. We'll do that with GoPro, and I'm sure you'll see me riding this Sabre. These are not Sabre bars from factory. These are Sabre bars, I think from VF700F, VF700C. So, no, it's S. Yeah, the 700 Sabre. I think that's where these bars came from. So anyway, got this in place. It's going to be in the center. It is going to kind of block my readout here, but I can always look around that, and that's not a big deal. Still have my RPMs and everything, but it's going to be sitting right smack dab in the middle, which is nice. So easy to mount, easy to adjust, except for it doesn't have all the different tilts and stuff that I would have liked to mount it up here out of the way. But maybe I'll figure that out. I'll mess with it again, but for now it's mounted, it's solid, doesn't feel like it's going anywhere, and I will figure out how to get this video taken for you. So I rode this around for a while, and I had a little bit of adjustments to do. At first I had it set so I couldn't see any of my readouts, but now I have it set here, and it's actually perfect. I can use my speedometer, and I can see all my readouts on my tachometer. So this is actually probably where I'm going to keep it. I can turn the wheel and it doesn't hit my tank at all, so that's pretty good. And also, I like this setup for this, and I can see the time, which I actually have the time back there. Apparently it's not right, but I can also, let me see, take this off, and we can do, which way this is going to go. So it's pretty versatile. We can stick it on and lots of different ways. And once I understand, where is it? Once I figure out how to get this on easier. So you just stick it on and push down and turn it and lock it. So there, I can also do it long ways. And how do I get back to the other screen? I don't know. Nope, I don't need to record this. I don't know how to do it, guys. Okay, so I recorded that trip. Where's my... Alright, well, I don't know how to set that up. I figured it out once before. Maybe if I just... Oh. That's cool. That'll show me... Oh, wow. That's in maps. Okay, so anyway, lots of versatility we can do with this thing. I'll just start it over. There we go. Oh no, we're still in maps. Oh geez. Well, anyway. Oh, there we go. Now we're back. So I like to have the dial, but anyway, I can have it sideways also. It's a little off, but it's good, perfect for me. I can still see everything behind. So I'm pretty happy with the system here and the setup. Pretty easy to take it on and off. So I would say I give the quad lock a pass. This is definitely a good system. Maybe we could have some more swivels, but I used my phone and it worked out pretty good. So I'm gonna say go for it if you like it. I think this costs a bit less than the rock form, so that's why I went with the quad lock. A lot of people recommended this too, so I'd say go for it if you're looking for a relatively affordable cell phone holder. And there's other accessories. There's a wireless charger, but I just went for this, and I'm happy with it. So never had to worry about my phone falling off or anything. This thing locks into place, and then this holds it pretty good. So I would assume this would wear out eventually, but for now, it's working good. So thanks for watching. I would say go for the quad lock, and have a great day. Get out and ride. Watch for more.